Hey, it's Katrina here. This is my take about writing memoirs. First of all, like there are a lot of people that will read a memoir. Usually it's of a famous person, like if Oprah wrote a memoir, which she already has a book. But like if we were fans of Oprah growing up, we would probably read her memoir, right? If we were fans of some other big name person, we would read their memoir. But no offense, those of us who are just, everyday entrepreneurs might not have such a huge fan base that they have to read our memoir. I personally, this is basically my memoir, but I don't call it a memoir because I feel like nobody wants to read a memoir about me. That's making it all about you, about me, right? So why would I want to write a book all about me that doesn't have anything to do with my ideal client or target market or anything like that? Because no one would want to pick it up. It seems, and nobody like I'm known to I guess some people look up to me, but I don't have like millions of people looking up to me. So I don't know. I don't think that you want to write your personal for if you're an entrepreneur and you want to sell a nonfiction book and you do coaching or consulting or whatnot about whatever topic that is, I would try to write your book in a similar way to this, where you're still telling your story, but you're weaving in the lessons of whatever it is you teach in the book. So they can glean a lot of stuff. So I talk to the reader, I talk to the ideal client in this book and share with them and point out things and have them do experiences and exercises and things like that. I do tell stories about how I did this and how I did that, but then this is how you can do it too. So I don't make it all about me. There are stories, but I really make it about the reader. So something to think about. People want to buy solutions. They want to buy a system. They want to buy results. They want to buy, as a nonfiction, we want something that does self-development or professional development in some way. And so be careful writing a memoir. That's what I have to say today. And you can reach out to me at jumpstartpublishing.net. Jumpstartpublishing.net. I'll see you there. Have a good day.